Hiro-san, how are you?
Hey, good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon to you. We got a great recipe today. Now, a lot of you have seen so many people make that Wagyu Katsu Sando. That's how you say it, right?
Wagyu Katsu Sando.
Yes. Now we're going to try something different, but with salmon.
Today we're going to use a salmon.
Right. So let's show everyone the ingredients first, Hiro.
Yes, main ingredient is here. The salmon here.
Okay. And what are the ingredients
So
we have?
I'm going to do making this is katsu. So I'm going to use the flour here,
Okay.
the eggs, and then panko.
Okay.
Then I have a bread here.
Okay.
And this is a wasabi aioli. And then salt and pepper.
Okay.
Yeah.
The difference today,
simple.
you're going to use this right here.
Air fryer.
This is a COMFEE 3.7 quart electric air fryer. Basically, it's an oven, oilless cooker. It's got 8 reference guidelines and shows you what you need to cook and what temperatures you need to set it at. Now, this is completely oil-free. It's an air fryer cooker that can reduce 90% oil for healthy diets. So, I know the products can come out really crispy. I'm really looking forward to seeing how this can make this Katsu Sando really a better product. There's 8 menus that can satisfy most cooking needs, from french fries to chicken wings, chicken legs, meat, shrimp, fish, and also cake. It's UL listed and certified, BPA and PFOA free. And really, it's a great gift if you want to give to anyone. It's got a detachable non-stick basket as well. There's also a warranty for 1 year from COMFEE for US and Canadian households with 120 volts of electricity. Here, I'm excited to see what it can do.
Yes.
Are you ready?
Yes. Today I'm going to be size, what is this one, okay? This much. Then I'm gonna take the skin off. Same thing on this side too. First I'm gonna do salt and pepper. Okay, so I'm gonna put the panko crust on it. First, going to be powder. Then, next one, egg. Okay, then panko.
That looks like a beautiful piece of salmon too, Hiro.
Beautiful, right?
Right, nice and thick. The color's beautiful. I'm excited to see how this is going to come out.
Yeah.
People at home can make this at home.
Okay, now salmon, the panko, I'm gonna cook with this air fryer. I'm gonna put this on the inside. Okay, and here 400 degree, and first I'm gonna do 15 minutes.
Okay, we'll check it back in maybe in 10 minutes or so.
Yes, after 10 minutes I'm gonna take a look.
Okay.
Okay, so now 7 minutes is passed. I'm going to check the salmon.
Well, the color looks good.
Yeah, looks good, right?
Right.
You can see the other side. The other side is kind of little. Need to cook a little bit more.
So how many more minutes? Maybe another...
At least 3 minutes.
Okay, so 3 more minutes. So...
Okay, so after flip over the 3 minutes, salmon should be ready. So let's check.
Yeah, color looks great.
Looking good.
So we set the timer for 15 minutes. After 7 minutes, Hiro flipped it over. And another 3 minutes. So you have this even coloring. And it's really toasty already.
Okay, now we're gonna toast the bread with the air fryer.
Okay.
Okay, so I'm gonna put my original garlic butter here. So I'm gonna spread this one a little bit on the bread.
This is such a great use, Hiro. You said you love this garlic butter. Use it on everything, right?
I use for the when I cook the steak. Really good.
You guys want to learn how to make that? We'll put a link down below in the description box. It's really been quite a popular video. A lot of people want to know how to make it, and it's from Benihana. People love that garlic butter every time you sit down. Garlic butter for the fried rice. One of my favorite things. Or chicken fried rice is delicious.
Okay, like this.
Okay.
Then we're gonna start with this air fryer.
So how long, Hiro?
I said 400 degree, even 1 minute and a half should be.
Okay.
I think
That's right.
It's enough, I guess, for the bread. So this is 400, right?
Yes, 400.
Okay, I'm gonna do about this 5 minute range. Then I'm gonna take a look.
Okay, very good.
Yeah, we'll be back. Okay, after 2 minutes and a half, let's check the bread. How's the bread going on? Wow, beautiful, right?
Looks good. Looks good to me.
Yeah, beautiful. Nice. One bread is done. So next to bread, let's go to another bread. Yes. Okay. I'm gonna cut into the bread in half. This one too. Then first I'm gonna put the wasabi aioli.
Now, if you missed that episode, go back to the last one and you'll see it. We had someone contact us on Instagram. Wanted to know how to make this. This is actually made with real wasabi. So it's wasabi aioli. It's delicious.
Okay, next one, put the salmon. And this on the top. Okay, and cut into half. And go down this way.
Let's open it up and take a look, Hiro. The moment of truth. How's it?
That's
nice.
good.
Perfect. That's a nice thick piece of salmon, huh?
Mm.
Okay, take a look at this. The salmon Katsu Sando. You know, for myself, I like it kind of on the rare side, but still, this is a beautiful piece of salmon. Nice and thick. I'm sure it's very juicy. And we're going to try it to see how it came out with the air fryer. But if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment below, share. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for COMFEE. You guys check out the description box. Find out where you can get this amazing, amazing air fryer. I know, Hiro, you've been using it too, right?
Mm-hmm.
For chicken, for so many different things.
I can cook many things.
Right. It's amazing, and we're going to be using it again. So, all right. Well, we'll see you soon, Hiro.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Thank you. Okay, Hiro-san, are you ready?
Yes.
Let's give it a try. Enjoy. With that wasabi aioli too. How's the salmon?
Salmon very soft.
Very soft? I know when you cook chicken in here, it's really, really juicy, you know? I'm gonna get a piece.
I can put more mayonnaise. Wasabi aioli.
Let me tell you what, I was afraid that the salmon would be overdone. It's definitely cooked all the way, but not dry at all. You know how salmon can be dry when you eat it? When it's really overcooked or cooked all the way? Not at all.
Inside is still moisture.
Very moist. Very, very moist. Take a look there. I don't know if you can see that in the camera. Extremely moist.
If you just bake it, it's getting dry. But also this is the meat is kind of thick. Also coating with the panko. So maybe moisture gonna be staying inside.
Like insulates it. I love your wasabi aioli too. Delicious. Definitely a win in my book, Hiro. And I love your wasabi aioli. All right. Well, thank you so much.
Thank you very much.